Oh, no.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Eric and Tanner for Fish Fools here. We're squatted up. We have Devin over there. I'll leave his stuff in the description. And we have our friend Gage over there. He's a dummy. Anyways, we're back at the golf course. We came here before the hurricane, so we wanted to come after the hurricane and see how the fishing was. I'm starting with some finesse stuff, and Devin's using a frog, Gage is using a rattle trap, and Tanner's using a popper. So hopefully we get on some fish today. That sucks. Well, watch out. I'm fishing over here. On chatterbait? Ridiculous. Everyone can catch fish except me.
Oh, another one. Holy frick.
Is it a good one? Oh, I just had one.
Dude, I saw that.
Hey, I was reeling it through hydrilla and one hit it. Dang, Devin. On the chatterbait. So like 2?
Yeah, man.
Pretty fat one.
No fish. Start off the day for me.
Wish I could catch one. Ugh. Devin with another bass. You just unflip it, you want me to grab it. That was a little better. Oh. What is it, like a 3.5?
Oh, they're cold, dude.
Hold it up for the thumbnail. Sick.
Oh,
Nice.
baby.
Get on the chatterbait. I have a swim jig that same exact color with the same trailer.
You feel them though, it's super cold.
Yeah, they're really cool. I don't know why they're hitting moving bait, but not. Shake your head. Stupid fish. Everywhere we fish, the bass are so stupid.
They don't follow the rules.
They hit the landings in here. They bite the complete opposite of what they're supposed to.
There's so many of them over there. I've already fished already. They're over here by there. All of those are fish.
Alright, I'm about to go over there. Oh, one missed it?
Dude, yeah, when you reel fast and they see it.
I wasn't even looking.
It's weird. Put a bug bait on. I have a black one. It's like when you reel it super fast and it's like you get.
Let's see. Oh, gone. Oh my god. This is when you need a sprinkler frog.
Oh, I have one in my bag.
I have 2. Come on, go for it. Oh, oh, oh my god, it's so sick.
Sure they want the black?
It's so sick.
Dude, well, I'm assuming because they're not using the. Slow it down a little. Where's your sprinkler frog at?
Oh, that was so sick. I got 4 blow-ups in a row. Oh, that was a good one. Oh my god, that was like a 3-pounder. It barely missed it. Oh my god. Oh! It's not my fault I didn't eat it. I did. I tried to. Oh no! Dude. It missed it twice in like a half a second. Oh my god. I didn't even touch it. Oh, wait. Oh my god, my heart just freaking blew out of my chest.
That was super loud.
I was just burning that thing quick and boom. Oh my gosh. Probably like a 4. My heart is about to like fly out of my chest right now. Yeah. Finally. There we go, on the drop shot. Finally caught a fish. There we go, let's get up here. Finally. Yes. Just freaking came out. Finally, that fish is so cold. Little guy, but it was on a little bait, so I'm not expecting much. Just happy to finally catch something. There we go. Last look at that fish. Nice little fat chunk. It was very, very cold. Let's get it back in. There it goes. There we go, finally. Gosh. Freaking finally, dude. I can't even talk. Finally, guys, caught a decent fish on a freaking whopper plopper. Not even that big either. It's probably about 1.5 pounds, but I'm still happy to catch something. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for spot number 1. We're gonna head to another pond and hopefully catch some more bass because this pond is not very good today. I caught one on this on the way back whenever you went to the truck. Are you freaking serious? What the hell?
What was that?
A bass. He just came up and slurped it.
Oh.
You gotta be freaking kidding me.
Hey, what?
Okay guys, I forgot to do an outro, so here it is. I'm back at the house a couple days later editing the video and realized I didn't do one. But that's gonna be it for today's video. If you didn't see in that last clip, what happened was Devin, my friend, he casted his whopper plopper, got a bird's nest. While he was getting it out, a big bass attacked his whopper plopper. And I was all upset because I've been casting mine around, haven't had it blow up. His was just sitting there and got it blow up. But anyways, the fishing was altered very heavily from the hurricane. Made the waters rise a lot, made them really murky, and it was windy that day, so fishing was tough. Fished for about 3 hours, only caught about a total of maybe 12 or so. We had a lot of blow-ups on moving baits, and then it stopped after like an hour. But we had a fun time, even though it was tough. But anyways, we hope you all enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.